DQ952 service to Cairns will now be departing from gate UT4. Thank you.
If you are travelling with small infants or children, please take particular care when lowering the armrest. A reminder that smoking, vaping and the use of e-cigarettes are strictly prohibited.
Your seatbelt, clip the buckle and clasp, and pull on the loose strap to tighten. Undo the seatbelt by lifting the buckle flap. The seatbelt is most effective when worn low, tight, and throughout the entire flight. Make sure you're familiar with the brace position best suited to your seat. The onboard safety instruction card in your seat pocket shows pictures of your brace position, along with other important safety information.